Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Brooke. This channel is all about self-love, health and happiness. So excited to bring you this video. It is a swimwear unboxing from Lilly and Lime. They are a D cup and up swimwear brand. I was lucky enough to have this gifted to me by Lilly and Lime Swimwear. Let's unbox. Oh my goodness. This is so freaking cute. Swimwear for D cup and up. Girl, I need this. They give you a little measuring tape so you can measure yourself and send back the correct measurements. That is such a nice little touch. They want to make sure that it fits you well. Love that. These are the Suzani Indigo Hipster Brief. So I got the hipster because they have the little sides here that I feel like you can pull up high, so you could either wear them as hipster, but I feel like you could also pull them up high, if you know what I mean. These feel really nice and they're so cute. And then we've got the top as well. So oh my god, this is such a pretty color. I love this like sapphire blue color. So this is the royal blue full cup. It's got a wire underneath and the straps feel really sturdy. You've got a little bit of padding in there. So I feel like this is going to be very supportive. You can actually pull the padding out as well. Some people do not like the padding. They've got a little pocket there where you can just pull that out. And you've got a little clip back. How does this work? Oh, love that. I feel like they're going to go really, really nicely. And I'm excited to try them on. Okay, let's do a little try on. And fingers crossed they fit. Guys, this bikini is absolutely stunning. I don't know if you can see how nice this color is. It's like a really deep sapphire blue. I've just left the padding in the cups. This is very supportive. It's not cutting into my shoulders at all. As I said, I feel like you can really pull these up over the hip bones so that it's like high-waisted. Have it a little bit cheeky if you wanted and pull it up. Have it as like the hipster, how I think they're supposed to be worn, sort of like on the hips like this, but like it's very in fashion to have it up like this. So I absolutely love that it's got the clip in the back. It was very easy to just sort of clip in, and I love this set. It is really, really flattering, especially on the bigger boobies. You can buy matching or separate pieces, which is awesome. Like the personal touches with the bag and measuring tape in case it was the wrong size is like above and beyond. So that is so cool. It feels like really nice quality, and yeah, I'm gonna be rocking this at the beach, girl. Guys, I am so supportive of brands like Lilly and Lime that are decupping up and supporting literally supporting us busty girls with decupping up. Any lingerie brand, any clothing brand that does that, I am all for. And yeah, I hope you guys liked this video, found it helpful. If you did, you can check out my self-love series actually, that is on my YouTube channel. You can give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you would like to see more videos like this one and about self-love, health and happiness. So I hope to see you in my next video.